Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, the third video today in a row. Guys, it's a pretty quick announcement. What I wanted to do, I wanted to let you know that I am giving away this very kit for free. It is a really very big kit, 90 by 60 centimeters. It is Thomas Kincaid's design. I don't remember the name. I purchased it in 2018 to cover an ugly wall in my house. But I've been waiting for a long time, for 3 years, and actually we did some remodeling and the ugly wall is gone. And this is one of the reasons why I am not going to diamond paint this kit. I don't feel like diamond painting this kit. And the second reason, I already diamond painted such big kit from Dreamer Designs, 90 by 60 centimeters, and it's just way too big for me. I don't even have space to hang it anymore. And I don't really feel like diamond painting such big kits anymore. 50 by 70, I guess it's going to be the maximum that I'm going to diamond paint. So, the only condition, I'm not going to mail it. If you live in DC area, or if you are willing to come to DC area, I don't know, from somewhere, I will give it to you for free, because the kits that the items, including this one, including this kit that I'm going to give away, are pretty massive, if it is possible to say so. They're big. You can imagine 60 by 90 centimeters plus all, how many, 43 colors. Massive, big, heavy. So I'm not going to spend money on shipping it, and I don't want to sell it also. I purchased this kit, and I don't know if I mentioned it or not, on AliExpress for $50. I'm gonna give it away for free. Okay, so if you live in DC area, please let me know. We can meet up somewhere, especially this week. I'm off. I will let you know where we can meet in Michael's, for example, in a nearby Michael's, or somewhere nearby. So I guess you can stop by there, and I will just give you the kit. This is the first item that I'm going to give away. And the second one is this bead storage tray. I mentioned it in my previous video about how I store and organize my leftover drills. I do not really use it, and I'm not going to. I bought it in Walmart, I don't remember, $20-something. I'm also gonna give it away for free, including the beads inside, because I'm too lazy to, separate them and organize it differently. So it is absolutely new. I used it only once when I put the beads from one kit inside. It is absolutely new, So please, and again, you need to be able to pick it up. I'm not going to mail it. Don't have time for that, and I don't want to invest money in it. So if you are willing to meet with me somewhere in the store, in the cafe, in some, I don't know, Starbucks, anywhere in DC area, preferably Maryland or Georgetown, DC, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to give you the kits, these items for free. I can give both of them to you, or only one of them. And please, 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 guys, do not feel obliged that you have to give me something in return. Really, I just want to get rid of those, and you will do me a favor if you please accept it. Okay? Or, for example, those of you who can't afford, buying expensive kits, and you always wanted to try something big, well, it's a good opportunity. So please let me know if you are interested. I'm waiting for your comments in the description box below, under the video. Just let me know if you are willing to meet with me and pick it up, and if you want both items or you want one of them. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon!